Hey everyone, just making this short video to show you a different view of the lake and how low it is. You can see the blue is the lake, and then all that dirt there usually is where all the water is up to. And I can walk down there, but I don't know if you can see it better from right here. There's a car coming. He's not paying attention. Look at how they go. Yeah, all that is dirt. There's some water right there. But usually that is all full. See all that tan is sand, and that's usually all water. The lake is usually right up to there, up to here. There's paths all through those trees. And there is a path that goes down there. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see down there, there's a path that goes down to where I just showed you. All that is usually all water. And then people sometimes they'll park here like this. Yep, you can park here, and there's some nice, well, they're not nice right now, but yucca plants. And you walk up that path, go all the way up, or you can take a right and go down to where I just showed you. And one day I guess I'll take you down here. But I just thought I'd show you the lake from this view. We really need it to rain, and rain good.